they're okay. I mean, they've lasted me a long time. They're 4 years old, literally. And zip ties to keep the grips from doing throttle grip, on both sides. And then for the Redline Kamali forks, the Redline frame, it's okay. I think it's a flatland frame, I don't know. Swin, old 1998 bars, retro bars. Redline, crazy one, I mean, not crazy one. I don't know what they're called, but they're like awesome rims. The cassette hub in the front. This is not a free coaster hub, I don't think. So yeah, I don't have any brakes. I'm brakeless. So, oh yeah, Redline seat. My dad cut the seat post a little bit. He cut it in half so it'd go all the way down. Because when you're doing tricks, that seat gets in the way if it's all the way up. So. And Redline street tires. Oh no, they ain't Redline. They're Freak YX tires. I don't know the width or anything. I think it's a 25 top tube or something. I don't know. Yeah, this is my street bike check. It's my trick bike. Oh crap. Yeah, the cranks. They're one-piece cranks, as you can see on both sides. I got this is also in review on Chameleon Zilla Freak platform invisible shit. Glow in the dark pedals. Damn it, my bar end came out. Yep, the bar ends are Swin 1998 bar ends. They're really old, but they keep the bars fresh. That's all that matters. Oh, hold on. It's not going in there. Okay, whatever. But yeah, the Zilla Pro platform pedals. These are on Dan's Comp, and they also sell them at Walmart, which is really weird. My Walmart carries some good things, and sometimes it doesn't. So, yeah, and I got the Redline stem. It's okay. It holds the bars. It's okay. Let's see, am I forgetting anything? Regular chain wheel is super huge. I'm getting a new chain wheel for my birthday, that thing. Getting a smaller one's about half of that. So yeah, these pedals are really good too. I definitely recommend them. You can find them at your local Walmart. And I think I'm gonna go buy some pegs. My race bike, if you've never heard of BMX racing before, then